Hello everyone and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today I'm showing you how to make chicken bulgogi. The term bulgogi can refer to any meat cooked over a fire or open grill, but for this recipe we'll be using chicken. This dish is one of the easiest Korean barbecue recipes that you can make at home. Think tender chicken thighs coated with a soy-based sauce and cooked to juicy perfection for the ultimate Korean flavor. Now before we turn up the heat and start this Korean barbecue, make sure to drop a like, hit that subscribe button and tap on that notification bell. We appreciate any support you can give us so we can keep showing you the best recipes this world has to offer. Now let's get cooking. Let's start by making our marinated sauce. So using a mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1/4 cup of lemon lime soda, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 4 minced garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Whisk everything together until well combined. Add the skinless chicken thighs to the marinade and coat thoroughly. Then, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight if you really want that soy flavor fully absorbed in your chicken. Using a fine meshed strainer, strain the marinade into a small pot and bring the marinade to a boil. Let's boil for 3 to 4 minutes until the sauce thickens so we can use later on our chicken bulgogi. Now this is very important. Skim off and discard any foam that rises to the top when the boil has come to an end because we want to have full clarity in our sauce. Heat a grilled pan or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until the chicken is cooked through. Brush the glaze onto the chicken. This will make it even more flavorful and juicier. To make it even better, garnish the chicken with scallions and roasted sesame seeds. Then serve wrapped in lettuce or over steamed rice. Don't worry, both are delicious choices. If you like this recipe, check the description box to view all the steps or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes for other delicious meals just like this one. Please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. You surely will not want to miss any video recipes we have in store to show you. Thank you so much for watching and until next time.